If you are new to my channel, please stick around. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. My name is Jocelyn, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I started my YouTube channel in 2019, and my first video upload is actually a video of my two kids. It was uploaded in February of 2019. However, I did not become active in uploading until like August 2019. In order to monetize a YouTube channel, you must complete the requirements. First, you needed to have 1,000 subscribers for 1 year. And the second requirement is that you needed 4,000 public watch hours from the first day of the public upload of your video. There's another requirement. You must abide by the community guidelines set by YouTube, and your channel must be advertiser friendly. You have 1 year from the first day of public upload of your video to comply with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. For example, if you uploaded your first video in January 1st, 2021, you have until January 1, 2022 to comply with the watch hours of 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscribers. I met the 1,000 subscribers on December of 2019. However, the 4,000 watch hours is harder to achieve. So I was able to achieve it in March of 2020. Once you meet the 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will send you an email approving your channel for monetization. Once your channel has been approved for monetization, you can now place ads on your channel. Longer videos get more ads. For example, if you have a video that is 8 minutes and longer, you can place ads at the beginning or in the middle and at the end. However, if your videos are 8 minutes less, you can only place ads at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Once you reach the $10 threshold for ad revenue, Google will send you a letter containing the PIN number, and once you receive it, enter the PIN number to the channel dashboard of your YouTube studio so you can verify the payments that will be sent to you and also the bank information where the payments will be deposited. You can only be eligible for payment once you meet the $100 threshold, and if you meet it this month, you will be able to get the payments the next month, and it will be deposited in your account on the 15th, and it's ready to be withdrawn on the 22nd. Here's my channel, Adventures in America. Currently, I have 6,450 subscribers, and the way I arrange the videos in my channel is that you will see in a playlist the most popular uploads. The first video here has 35,000 views. This one, Travel Update Arrival Guide Manila for non-overseas Filipino workers. And the second most popular video is their GT Racing Gaming Chair Unboxing and Assembly. This one. This is actually the video that has the most revenue. The reason is that this video is 16 minutes long. So if you are going to make a video like a tutorial, I would advise that you make the videos longer. Please take note that you can add ads to your video once it's like 8 minutes longer. You can place more ads in the video so it will make more money. So let's go over my YouTube studio. So here in my channel dashboard, you can see on the left side the content playlist analytics. So we are going to click on my analytics. So this way you can view the highest earning videos in my channel. So this one, GT Racing Gaming Chair, it's still a top video. This is for the last 28 days, but since we wanted to see the revenue for 2020 year, I'm gonna go click on revenue first, and I'm going to check on the 2020 year. As you can see,
I have on the lower side the monthly estimated revenue and my top earning videos. So the GT Racing Gaming Chair video earned $338.12 for 2020, and it was followed by how to build 15 income streams. There's not a lot of views in this video, but because the topic is about making money online or anything that has to do with finances, money, or business, the advertisers tend to pay more in revenue. So it has $160.91 earned for 2020. So now let's go over the monthly estimated revenue. So I'm going to click on this one. I just wanted to show you how much I earned for 2020. So when I started, I didn't earn much. I got monetized in March. I only earned $11.11. In April, $12. So take note that once you reach the $100 threshold, you can get paid on the next month. So let's say, for example, in June, you reach $80 or $99, you won't be able to get the revenue in July because you haven't reached it in the previous month. So once you reach the $100, then you can get the full amount on the next month. So this one, I actually made $113.62. So that means during the previous months, the first 4 months, I didn't make enough to make it $100, but in July, I made 113. But in June, if you total all of this, it will amount to $89. So I made my first payment. So Google AdSense paid me around August. So I received, because you will receive your payment on the next month if you reach the threshold for the current month or the previous month. So for the highest earning month, in December, I earned $410.26, and I actually earned on Christmas Day like $50 in one day. I'm not sure why, but maybe because a lot of people are watching videos at home. And the total video, or I mean the total estimated revenue I made for 2020 year. So let me just go back to 2020. So I actually made $1,637.34 for 2020.
There are a lot of factors that affect the revenue. For example, it depends on the location of your viewers, the retention, the engagement, the kind of advertisers that you attract on your videos, the nature of the content of your videos, and how long are your videos. So there are a lot of factors, and not all channels are created equal. We all have different kinds of revenue, and our amounts are not the same, and it is unique for every channel.
There are a lot of factors about making money on YouTube, and it's important to look at your analytics. So I wanted to see where my audience are coming from. So let's click on the audience and let's see here. When your viewers are on YouTube, that means it will tell you the best time to upload during the week or what time during the day. So for me, I usually upload around Tuesday at between 4 to 7 p.m. because I can see here this dark purple color here. So it's from 4 to 8 p.m. My viewers are on YouTube, and also every Friday and Saturday. So I tend to upload videos around um, Tuesday or Wednesday or Friday or Saturday, and it's between 4 to 8 p.m. So I usually take note of this information too. And let's see some other information. So most of my viewers are based in the United States. There are at least 44% of them. And there are more male watching my YouTube channel. And the age bracket, they are usually 25 to 34 years old, and that is good. And So let me see it. But however, the watch time from subscribers, so those who are not subscribed and are still watching my videos, they are 83%, and those who are subscribed are 16.7%.
There are a lot of things that can hold us back from starting a YouTube channel. I know when I was just starting, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to upload it fast. And I don't know which contents will attract more viewers. But along the way, I learned from my own mistakes and I learned from others. So you too can grow your own channel and make money too. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I hope to see you in my next video.